Welcome back to the second part of our analysis. In second part, we are analyzing Cochin Shipyard. Many of you guys were holding it from very top level. Some of them are holding from here 2500 when stock broke out, showed very good promise, and some of them are holding from here 2000 level, and even many of them bought at top 3000, and it was a wonderful downward journey. Those who didn't book loss was in a very bad condition right now. Stock is clearly forming a lower low, and the pullback is very deep. Why? Because it was a heated space. Was a heated space. Everybody was trading in defense, and then it was overvalued, and market got a reason to correct, and it's corrected really big. So was one crucial pivot. It is broken down. Right now the stock is doing nothing but this broke down retest of this will be a resistance, can come all the way here. It's a very good possibility. If market is not stable, I see this coming all the way to 1100 range. I feel this will be held. This 1100 range will be held. I don't think the stock will further fall. If at all it is falling, uh, then it is not good. It can come all the way till these points. Is 1.1k 900, or here 700 range. But uh, how much it corrected? It corrected a lot actually. Yeah, it corrected. Oh, that is too much. That is 55% correction. This is, even for a long term guy, 55% correction is something we shouldn't allow to happen. Anything, if it goes way beyond 30, 35, 40, 45 percentage, to be really careful. If the stock goes below 30 percentage, I'll be really careful, even in my long term portfolio. Short term, I don't allow my stock to fluctuate 30, 40 percentage and all. Long term, it's still fine. 30, 40 percentage fluctuation is fine. So some of them were asking whether you should buy this dip again. No, I don't think uh, this is the dip you're waiting for now. This is a huge dip. This is not dip. This the stock plummeted. This is not even, you can't even call it as a dip. So you need to wait. Let's see if this it is breaking out of this. It is good. It's a good sign. Breaking out and then retest. If it is breaking out, then you can fresh entry. You can initiate from here if it is breaking out. Okay, or buy the dip. Gang, wait for a retest. Till that time, no trade, no fresh trade. And as of now, it's very bearish. It's in stage. It's in a very good, proper stage 4, and I have no clue where it is going to stop. Yeah, you can view it as a you can view it as a stage 4. So no fresh entry, very bearish. Wait and watch kind of a stock. Let's move to next one, that is Hutco. Yeah, I mean, this could happen in Cochin Shipyard. Okay, similar pattern. You see, come down and it's forming a base. Hutco, it just came down, forming a base and trying to move up, and if it is breaking out from this, initiate a trade. So this is a possibility here. Okay, Hutco and this, if you compare, yeah, this is a possibility. Maybe stock is trying to reverse from here. Let's hope for the best, and it is trying to break out of this. If it is breaking down of this pivot, then really bearish, can come all the way to this level. So till that time, wait and watch. Hutco, it just moved up after a breakout from here. This will be a stage 2 breakout. Stage 2 breakout, it just broke out and then gave a good move, and then just came down crashing. So this is a very good support region. So from this support region, it is trying to move up and forming a base. Let's wait for a breakout of this level, 233 level, then only take a trade. Okay, now risk reward is okay in this counter. If you are initiating a trade, you can, from here with an SL, you can catch this move. 1:3 is possible right now. So don't commit yet. Let's wait for a breakout. good risk to reward in this counter, so keep this on radar. Next one is Pennar Industry. Pennar Industry, I posted it in my X. This is a wonderful structure. mm, it has been moving, it's an uptrend, it didn't fall that much in this market condition. It was an uptrend, it's trading in this channel, and then now it is consolidating in this base. Let it come out of the base. This is clearly a stage 3. Let's wait what the stock is going to do. Is it going to go for a stage 4 or go for a stage uh, 2? If it is stage 2, initiative trade only here. Okay, 217 level. Till that time, no entry, wait. So this structure is good, keep this in your radar. Another one is Shandar. It's bad, it's kind of forming a head and shoulders here. uh, Structure is very weak, no buying the dip and all. We'll have to wait and watch what is going to happen in this counter. Yeah, right now something like this is happening. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to wait and see. Now it just broke, then confirm and closed and confirm the structure. Head and shoulder is confirmed, and it is forming a base. So, and it is trading very close to this support level with negative bias. So stock could come all the way here. This is a good support, or here. That is something which we need to wait. So structure wise, it doesn't look that great. The head and shoulder pattern is confirmed. Only thing is wait and watch. Let's see which direction it is taking, which direction it is breaking out, then only we take a trade. So as of now, no trade, negative bias, no buying on dip. And this is one penny stock. One person was asking me, I don't trade in this kind of counters usually, and I don't encourage anybody to trade in this counter. You, instead of putting money in this, you put money in quality stocks. But even if you wanted to trade this counter, put an amount which you are absolutely okay to lose totally. And let's say if you are putting 10k, imagine a scenario where you're losing the whole 10k. If you're okay with that, then trade. So in this counter, even though it is hitting LCUC and all, structure wise it looks okay, it is not that bad. You can call, I mean, this kind of a VCP, not, yeah, it is a little bit of a VCP. It is contracting here, it's contracting here, and then, yeah, it contracted here, and then the movement reduced to tight contraction, big contraction, and it's just getting reduced and tight contraction here and breakout. So structure wise it look really nice. And this, I shared it in my group, I think somewhere around here, and then wrote this is a possibility. Retest, wait for the retest. So let it come back and retest 33, or maybe this range, 30 range. And if you're showing any reversal, you can initiate your trade. And risk to reward wise, it's offering good risk to reward. It can, if you are initiating a trade here, you can put SL here, that is like 14% SL, but it could go to till here. That's a wild possibility. Okay, may not get it in very short term, it might take some time. Nonetheless, this is a good RR setup. So personally, I don't recommend trading this counter, but if anybody wants to do it, put a limited amount and then trade it. Another stock is ice make is, it's good. Structure wise it's fine. Now it is trading above 50 DMA and forming a base, and try to broke out of this base, but this is acting as a resistance. Now frustrate, yeah, you can from this 897 point, if 898 point, if it's showing any signs of reversal, you can add a little bit quantity, maybe 10%, and let's wait for a breakout of this level. And it just gave a fake out, it just broke out, and then, so better wait for at least 1 to 2 hours candle to close to take a trade. And one thing in this counter is, when it is pulling back, the pullback is bad. I mean, it just moves up from here. uh, yeah, it is moving up, and let's see the pullback, big pullback, and it's moved up and then pullback, moved up, and the pullback is big. See, you might never know if this is going to happen. So uh, conservative safe traders wait for a breakout of this level and wait for a day close, buy only on day close, and again maybe 30-40% you commit here, and let the stock, once breaking out, let it move and come back for a retest. If you are not getting a retest, well and good, it will form a base here, and then when it is breaking out, you take a trade. But be careful, be extremely cautious in this market uh, scenario right now what is happening, so you need to be really careful. Another one is, no, not Motilal is not give asked. Yeah, somebody asked me Vijaya. Most of them were holding most of the stock from a very high point top, and this is the first time someone is asking me about a stock which is in uptrend. I don't know whether he got it from top. No, there is no chance he must have got it in top. The top was made recently. So this is a amazing structure. I think the results were really good. Results were good. That is why I posted it in my X and in event in Trading View much earlier. And my entry point was somewhere around here. And then what happened was that next day, this was the ideal entry. Okay, this ideal entry was when it broke out of this, but I missed it, so I gave an entry, cheat entry at this level. So what happened was that market opened, stock came down, and again broke out of this, and our T1 was hit in the same day itself. So you can add at this level. You can add, if you haven't initiated trade, you can either add at this point or wait for any candle to go above this level 11140. Medium term, I'm expecting somewhere around 1200, 1250. Good potential, because these stocks are setting up very nicely. This diagnostic space, pharma space, I have no idea. There's like a lot of movement, they're moving together. So I have no idea why it is moving, but it is moving. So let's see. And it is trading in a channel, and the channel is not violated yet. So this is a long term to medium term bet. Okay, don't expect to make a lot of money in short term. uh, so just wait for the stock to set up. you know it could something like this. So it's a long term bet. If it is trading in a channel, it's a very long term bet. Don't expect good returns. Hold it for some like 1 to 2. When I'm saying long term, it doesn't mean 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Hold it for 2 to 3 years, maybe 4 years, maybe 1.5 years, and ride. If it is winning, ride this winner until and unless it is not violating anything, any uh, pivot. You just ride it. Okay. So I think that's it. If anything new comes up, I'll create another video. And thank you so much for your participation, and thanks so much for your support. Have a great weekend, guys, and take care. Bye.